robertcbrown.online. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world today. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be asking the question, how do you make your subconscious mind believe something? It's not as difficult as you might think. But before it gets stuck into the meat of it all, why don't you go ahead, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I do one of these little videos. And at the end of the video, please go ahead and like it. Show me some love. It gives me the impetus and the drive to keep making these videos. Okay, so with all of that out of the way, how to make your subconscious mind believe something, let's get stuck in. So here's the thing. And once you know this, it'll make life a lot easier for you. Your subconscious mind will focus on your predominant thoughts, okay? One thought, in fact, not thoughts, thought. Your predominant thought. It can only handle one of those suckers at a time, which is great because it really helps you when you're trying to reprogram yourself subconsciously to be more as a person, to be able to do more as a person, and consequentially, let's take a run at that again, consequentially have more from life as well. Okay, so if it can only really focus on your major predominant thought, then you can consciously go ahead and think really positive, supportive and empowering thoughts, and do it over and over and over again over a period of time. Now, yes, it takes a lot of conscious effort, and that's why most folks give up and go back to the old way of doing things, and they sort of click back into the old default pattern, the default setting, which is oftentimes negative, unsupportive, and will steal your future from you, steal your dreams from you. You know, your dreams can become your reality if you start to become the person that can create that stuff. See, that's the key thing. But the person that can create that stuff will think differently than how you're probably thinking right now. So what would be the first step, Rob? I hear you say. And the first step is to be conscious of your thinking. What are you thinking? Watch your thoughts. Watch your thoughts. Now, you don't have to attach too much meaning to it. You don't have to get too much emotion invested into it. And the reason for that is because the emotion will actually cloud things and will send you off into a different direction altogether. That's a video for another time. Emotion is the catalyst for actually creating things, but you need to be attaching the emotion to positive thoughts that are going to take you in the right direction towards that which you want to show up, and not towards the stuff that you really don't want to see show up. Now, most of us do it the other way around. We're thinking about all that stuff that we don't want to show up. We're thinking of the lack of money. We're thinking about ill health, whatever it is. And your subconscious mind is like a loop tape recorder. It's taking all this stuff in. It doesn't question it. It just takes it as the truth. It goes out there into the world through the reticular activation system and seeks evidence to prove that that is in fact the case. And bingo.
Ooh, that's a bingo.
Over a period of at least 30 to 90 days, you've developed a negative habit pattern that will really ace your future. But here's the great news. Now that you know that your subconscious mind is listening to your predominant thoughts, whenever you're aware that you're falling into that pattern of negative thinking, you can immediately and consciously redirect your thoughts onto something that gets you excited, that makes you feel better about yourself, that makes you feel empowered, and do it every time this stuff happens. Visualize it. Say affirmations. Feel as if that situation is actually the situation you're in right now. In other words, live in to being the person who's where you want to be. how they think, how they act, how they feel, what they do. And you'll have those results show up. If you've not got your life showing up the way you want it right now, it is literally down to how you are communicating to yourself. The external stuff in your world, the labels you're attaching, the meanings you're attaching to the labels, and the effect it has on you, on your self-image and your ability to do things on a higher level. Now you know that, you can literally leave this video and go make some changes that will move you in the direction you want to go. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you find it inspiring, because it's important you take action. And I hope you keep coming back, because I love to make this stuff for you. I'm committed to helping entrepreneurs overcome imposter syndrome, overcome their limiting beliefs and their anxieties, to really be more, do more, have more in life and business, and scale their business. Those are my passions, and I'm here to serve. So come back and visit me regularly. And to that end, before I say goodbye, I have created a free training. If you're an entrepreneur right now that's got an established business with a great product line or service that you want to do more with, and you may be stuck at maybe 5,000-10,000 a month and you really can't seem to get to the next level, then you might like to get onto my free training, and it's going to show you exactly why that's happening and give you some fixes. So if you want to go check that out, go to robertcbrown.online/training. That's robertcbrown.online/training. Let me take a breath. Okay, it's been an absolute pleasure. I hope you go check out the training. I hope you implement what I've shared with you here today on this video. And more than that, I hope to see you back here again soon. Take good care. Cheers. Bye.